Hey, what's up guys? Taking a look at DEWALT's 1/2-inch cordless vacuum. This is kind of an interesting one, but I'll run you through what I like about it and what I don't like. So first thing, the size of the unit. It is really compact. It's easy to swing around, carry, definitely not heavy at all. And it's really designed to be used in one hand. So you've got to keep that in mind. The way this was built, it's got the nozzle on the front and it's really designed to be used with one hand. You can flick it on with your hand in position right there. And then just for, doing some light duty cleanup on the floor, this is pretty ideal. Now the hose does detach right here if you need to get into some tighter spaces. And then obviously you kind of move into a two-hand mode with this vacuum to get into tight spaces. So it could be decent for cleaning out a vehicle. There's probably better options, but it would work. And then for, some light job site cleanup, a lot of times I have to do some light drilling after a house is finished. You might have some sawdust on the floor for a door handle or something like that, just to be able to grab this, sweep up some light debris. It's kind of meant for that kind of a situation. So what I don't like about this one, you're kind of limited. You don't really get any accessories. So this is pretty much all you get. It's either going to use the front like so, or pull out this little guy, but you don't get any tighter accessories to really get into crevices and things like that. The other thing you might notice a little bit, if you're cleaning up some sawdust on some hardwood or something like that, the exhaust air kind of blows out around the unit. So as you're cleaning up, it's also kind of blowing around a little bit, and that's kind of annoying whenever you're trying to get something perfectly clean and you've got air blowing out of this thing that's still kind of lightly moving things around. That's one design aspect that I don't like. Also keep in mind with this unit, you do not get a blower, whereas with the other DEWALT cordless vacuum, it comes equipped with a blower. You can change the ports and blow air with the hose also. You don't have that capability with this one. Now it is a 1/2 gallon capacity, so to dump the unit, you simply flip the lever up on the back and then you can pop the bottom off, and there you see the filter. So the filter can obviously be pulled off and knocked clean, and then that's your 1/2 gallon of capacity in there, so not a whole lot of capacity. So overall, I'd give this vacuum about a 5 out of 10. It's kind of lacking, but for some of you who have a specific need, kind of a niche job where you might be using this, it might be really ideal. But as an all-around vacuum, I think there are better options out there in terms of cordless job site vacuums.